Probability. Today our topic is permutation. Permutation, an arrangement of finite objects in a definite order is called permutation. For example, we have three objects A, B and C. We arrange it as A, B, C, B, A, C, C, A, B and C, B, A, C, B, etc. and so on. द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ फाइनाइट ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ डेफिनेट ऑर्डर. एक ऑर्डर में हम ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, थ्री ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, इन्हें हम एक ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर रहे हैं तो इसे परमुटेशन कहेंगे. इसमें क्या है कि हमारे पास n ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं और उन्हें आर वे में हमने अरेंज करना है. अरेंजमेंट ऑफ n objects taken r at a time. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? रिप्रेजेंट एज एन पी आर विच इज इक्वल टू एन फैक्टोरियल ओवर एन माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल एंड it is represent as n over n1 n2 up to nk which is equal to n factorial over n1 factorial n2 factorial n3 factorial up to nk factorial. And n1 is one kind of object, n2 is second kind of object, n3 is third kind of object and nk is kth kind of object. Different objects are arranged in different way. For example, we have a question 6p4 which is equal to 6 factorial over 6 minus 6 ऊपर वैल्यूज को माइनस करेंगे r से, which is equal to n equal to 6 and p r equal to 4. 6 minus 4 factorial. 6 minus 4 equal to 2 factorial and 6 factorial equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 over 2 into 1. 2 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Then remaining the 360. Then 5p permutation 3 equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 over 5 minus 3 2 into 1 which is equal to 3 4 the 12 12 5 the 60. And 10 p6 n equal to 10 and 6 equal to r. 10 factorial over 10 minus 6 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 4 3 2 1 over 4 into 3 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 3 से and 4 से. Then multiply all these objects. Answer is 151200. Then a combination. Combinations. Arrangement of data. Arrangement of object without paying regard order regard to order of selection. For example, we arrange ring in a keychain 1 ring 2, and we never specify that one is first and it is second, third, fourth. We arrange it and we find it permutation. And goal maze conference, we also start one object 2 3 4 5 6. We never specified this one is first, this one is second, third. This arrangement is called combination. Arrangement in a ring or keychain or goal maze is called combination, and it is represented by NCR and equal to n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial, and it is also shown as NCR. NCR, which is equal to NCR n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. 5C3, which is equal to 5 factorial over 3 factorial 2 factorial, which is equal to 10. And 6C2, which is equal to 6 factorial over 2, then r factorial, and 6 minus 2 equal to 4 factorial, which is equal to 15. And 8C5 equal to 8 factorial over 5 factorial, 8 minus 5 factorial, which is equal to 8 factorial over 5 factorial 3 factorial, which is equal to 56.